We can mix bonda with pulao.
How is the Bangalore bonda, guys? Bangalore bonda. Hey guys, welcome back to Life Designer. So guys, today it's morning and we are going to show you one of the best places that we used to have breakfast.
Yes. Go to breakfast spot.
All
Yeah.
varieties of breakfast you will find there, and everything is simply amazing. Like
It's so
you
good,
can
guys.
have how much ever you want. Don't expect a
So
very
guys,
big
this is a
restaurant or
place.
something.
Yeah, this is a simple place, guys. It's just a street food area. So we're going to go there. We got the thing that they were closed this many days and they reopened
Yeah.
it after
Yes,
lockdown.
so happy.
So we're going to go there and have food. It's super amazing
Amazing, very
taste, guys.
tasty.
So we'll
Hot,
get to
hot
see,
food.
we'll get to see all the varieties. So we'll show you everything and also we
Yes.
can talk to them, right?
Yeah.
we can-
Everything
let's
and
do
So
it.
it's not that far from here. This is our go-to
Put your
place.
mask, guys. Put your mask.
everyone wear a mask.
Guys, I got a mask you hold.
It's just a walkable place. So
Yeah, it's a walkable place.
Generally,
just
we
5
go
minutes from
most
here.
of the time,
Uh-huh.
but these days we stopped going there. After
Yeah.
a long time, we are going there, and we'll see how.
I missed
It
it a lot, man. Pandemic time, I missed it.
Oh my God!
Actually, that used to be a very good breakfast time.
and a lot of people visit there. You know, employees. A lot of people come there.
A
they
lot
have
of people, guys. A lot of people.
It used to be like
This-
an exhibition. There
Yeah.
a lot of people coming, and before we used to do MMA, walk in the street, very cool air, and have full breakfast, have tea, and come. That's the perfect.
That is the
start of
perfect
Yeah.
start. And guys, today it was raining really, very hard in the night
Really
and
heavy raining since
heavy
night.
raining, and the climate is going really cold and very much,
Day by day, it's becoming cool.
day by day it's getting cold, man.
See the road, everything is
Yeah,
up now. Everything
guys,
is wet.
see everywhere it is puddles and all.
Water everywhere.
I can see the humid climate. It's so chill.
I will take a bite from everyone's plate and gonna taste everything. You know,
Yeah,
after
guys.
a
So
long time.
today we'll go and get all the samples. Okay.
Right in the middle of the road. Come.
Careful, careful.
And that too.
Guys, Drix is saying us not to stand in the middle of the road and do the vlogging. That's a good point. Guys, we reached the side road. So from here,
We need to turn right.
so this is a place where we usually get all our stuff like groceries. We'll have tea there and all those things. And there will be medical shops.
This is like our hotspot. Whatever. we
But
want,
yeah, this is also a small place
Yeah.
Very shit.
and not much. But we generally go to SSR, the main place, and get the things.
Local things we can buy here. When
Yeah.
we need something which is not
Bro, it's
available.
slippery, man.
Yeah, it's slippery.
Guys, careful, okay?
Everywhere is water. It will get flip.
Can we go this way?
Okay.
Yeah.
We are almost reached. Careful when you cross this. Okay, this is actually main road.
Guys, in Bangalore, there is a time for all the trees to flower at the same
I
time.
think it's during winter, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know, spring, winter.
No, spring. I think during the Feb season,
Yeah. We'll get lot of flowers.
every tree will be flowered.
Lavender
there will
to
be
pink, all colors. of
Lavender,
flowers.
pink, white, and all those color palette. It will be on both the side of the road, just like these trees. It will be so beautiful. Uh-huh.
They look like the Indian version of cherry blossoms. Guys. If you notice the Japanese sakura cherry blossoms, these look like that.
Okay, guys, we reached. This is the stall. This is our go-to place in the mornings. Guys, we've just been here for like 2 years.
Yeah. This is there from 10 years, that is really,
So good. Varieties irutte.
So, who all come here in this?
ಸಾಂಬಾರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ವೆರೈಟಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ
2 variety chutney,
ಒಂದು ವೆರೈಟಿ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ
1 variety sambar and 1 variety the puri ka curry.
Okay,
This
okay.
is like a regular.
Aloo curry.
Okay, so who all come to your shop to buy?
Usually customers ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ?
ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಳೆ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ
It's usually very
Very
ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕೈಲಿ
it's usually very busy, extremely busy, but since
Really
it's
busy?
raining and all of that, I think it's a little less. So that's why he's like, you're lucky that you came today because otherwise I would not be able to talk.
Okay, so how is their family doing it or friends doing it together? Like cooking and all?
ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇವರು
That's his brother.
Brother?
ಅವನು ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಮಗ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ
The whole family.
ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್
Uh-huh.
ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್
So this is the family.
Family ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
Family, all families.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
So guys, he have his family and also few workers doing this together.
And there are a lot of variety of
So let's go to food.
Amazing food.
Let's go to food varieties.
Can you ask me what are varieties? How many varieties?
So this is rice bath.
Oh my god.
ಮೆಂತ್ಯ ಪಲಾವ್ ಮೆಂತ್ಯ ಪಲಾವ್
Menti palav. Menti is a type of
Can we have a plate?
ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ತೆಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಹಾಕೋ ಎಲ್ಲ
Guys, and every day there will be one variety of rice item, and today is Menti pulao, and it will vary every day. One day
last time it was pulao,
one
I
day it will be pulao, one day it will be veg, but today this is the different
Methi pulao.
And this is a type of menti. It's basically spinach. Like a spinach biryani kind of a.
Even though it's pulao, it's good for health. guys.
ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸಿಕಮ್ ಪಲಾವ್
Capsicum
Today we
pulao.
have two varieties.
ಡೈಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಡೈಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಟು ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್
Okay.
So second variety is the capsicum.
ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್
Okay guys,
You can get it in the same plate.
We are getting every variety possible.
Guys,
Okay,
ಇದು ಏನು?
Okay,
and we have bonda also.
Aloo bonda.
ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಬೋಂಡ
Mangalore bonda. Okay guys, this is Mangalore bonda here.
in a week there will be 12 varieties in rice, which means every day 2
ಡೈಲಿ ಟು
varieties.
ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್
Yes, this is our plate.
Okay guys, so let's
It
taste
looks
it.
yum.
We can taste it
One
now.
second, take a picture. A B-roll maybe.
Everyone have. Come on, let's have it. Okay guys, this is capsicum rice. I
So
can see
good
capsicum
smell.
here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, never like. How is it? How is it? It's literally melting, seriously.
We can also taste it. Yeah, sure.
Time.
How is it?
It's good. Really nice.
We can mix bonda with pulao. and
How is
have
the
it.
Bangalore bonda, guys? Bangalore bonda. Guys, it's so crisp.
Guys, it's not Bangalore, it's Mangalore. M. Not B.
It's good. Nice. It's nice.
Very nice.
Try the
Bonda is best.
With the rice.
Yeah, that's
These
good.
onions in Bonda are making it more.
I think we need more bonda. Bonda is the best. Everyone is like
Bonda is nice.
Bonda is over, guys. It's over.
I completed it.
Zoe is getting one more plate.
Better to get one more plate bonda because everyone will have that only.
We are not even using chutneys this time because rice is going perfect.
The bonda is very crispy, extremely crispy, and with the rice, it's a perfect combination.
Especially this onions and chili in Bonda. Amazing.
Guys, I'm very hungry. That's why I'm having like this. I'm not able to talk in between.
Okay, guys, so we'll go to the next item. So, what do we have? We have puri.
Yes. Freshly done puris now.
ಎಗ್ ಮಸಾಲ ಇರೋದು
Uh-huh. Guys, we have puri here.
And today we have special.
Puri and in combination.
And puri, and we have egg roast.
The combination is basically puri and aloo, but we can also try it with the egg curry.
Yeah.
I am seeing egg curry for
One
the
plate.
first time.
Yeah.
It's not a everyday item.
Nice.
Freshly fried puri.
But yeah, egg curry bhi.
Oh my god.
I feel like the puris are a little.
Little too much.
Guys, we have our plate here. There are a lot of
Let's taste it.
Keep that there, maybe.
How is the Bonda? Lot of oil.
Suddenly the
Too
bondas
many
are going out of market.
We'll have them. We'll have them.
Guys, you guys made the puri look like
Flakes.
flakes.
It's tomato flavor I'm getting from egg curry.
Puri with
Oh my god.
egg roast.
Wow.
We can
The
have
curry is very tangy.
Is it? I didn't taste it yet.
Wait.
Guys, I'm trying. You should have a little bit of, egg
can
curry with the puri and just have it.
Their puri is so crispy, like so hot, so tasty.
Oh my god. Let me have a look at it.
It's like now soaking into the curry.
Look at how the plate is almost finished.
Oh my god. The egg is so soft. The curry is also so homely.
It's very tangy and nice.
Yeah. Even if you look at the
And
container.
also have bonda in between every meal.
Okay. Even I had. Even if we look at the container, it's not too much. They made little bit that is authentic food, and also it seems so homely.
And even the puri right now, they keep refilling it. So it's like freshly made.
Yeah.
They have like a cook there who's continuously cooking.
So it's not already made. It's like every time refilling.
So guys, I'll show you their counters. So this is a masala counter. Masala dosa counter. Sorry.
You see a lot of eggs there.
This is egg dosha. They have all varieties of dosa. Bhaiya, what all varieties of dosa you have?
Dosa is there, madam. Egg dosa, onion dosa, set dosa,
Uh-huh.
and plain dosa.
And also there is omelette, guys. Omelette is the main thing that we order from here.
Attack, sir.
I want egg dosa.
They're dosa fans here. Pure dosa fans.
Take one. This is a serious skill, man. Oil.
Two compartments of eggs. One are boiled and one are, fresh. Boiled eggs are in yellow color. Oh,
An entire queue there.
When we came here, we are the only people, but now look at them. Almost 10-20 people are here. This is how it starts.
Puri counter also. Freshly made puris.
this is so fresh.
While we make puris at home, it will become like papadam.
And guys, look, they are adding a lot of oil while even making puris. You see, a lot of oil is there. So
That
they
is
get
what is making it crispy.
yeah, like more soft and more, eatable, meltable in our mouth.
Guys, our freshly made puri is ready.
Bro, it's a vehicle. See,
Uh-huh.
there is a.
Oh!
That's very good.
Guys, they've made this whole setup with the vehicles,
It's amazing.
auto rickshaw,
Honda counter.
and we have a bonda counter here.
Guys, this is where,
Really nice, guys. It's actually a very neat place. And also, guys, this is a where all the curries are there. Chutney corner. So here we have all the curries from tomato, coconut, and also the potato curry. Guys, there's a lot of people when you go.
We are waiting for dosha, guys. Still we didn't get.
Yeah, we
It's
came
very
for
crowded
dosha.
here. That's why
That was
maybe
the aim.
people are ordering
To have dosa.
Yeah.
a minute and we are
भैया आपका नाम ಹೆಸರು
Govind.
ಗೋವಿಂದ್ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು
Muruga. Okay, it's his brother Muruga, and these guys are Bangaloreans itself. So Hatu Asha. So these guys have been putting up this stall for 10 years now.
ಓಕೆ
And these friends have started ಮಾಡಿರೋದಾ ಹೇಗೆ?
Friends start ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Okay, so his friends started it and then they took over and
Okay.
continued the business.
ಓಕೆ
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಿಂದ ಯಾವಾಗ ತನಕ ಇದೆ?
ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 6 o'clock ನಮ್ದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 6 o'clock ಇಂದ 11:30 ವರೆಗೂ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ.
Okay, so breakfast times are morning 6 to 11:30 and then lunch
ಲಂಚ್ 12 o'clock to 3:30 4 o'clock ಲಂಚ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
12 o'clock to 3:30 4 o'clock.
ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲಂಚ್
So lunch ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
ಲಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ವೈಟ್ ರೈಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಚಿಕನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಚಿಕನ್ ಫ್ರೈ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪರೋಟ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಚಪಾತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ
ಓಕೆ
There's chicken fry, chicken curry, white rice.
ಪರೋಟ
ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸೇಮ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ವೆಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
Okay, so they make a veg variety also. And there's parota, chapati, and a lot of things.
Okay.
When do we get that?
So when close ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ?
ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 o'clock ಇದು ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ 5:30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Nice. So they'll be done by 4. The entire counter will be
Okay.
like empty by 4.
Nev's favorite.
ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ
Yeah, we can have. Buy a 2 idli. Generally, guys, I have idli every day. But today, since idli was delayed, I tried every other breakfast. Now I'm gonna get back to the dosha. I'll get some chutney and come.
Yeah. We have ordered doshas also again.
Yeah. Do you want to probably just check reviews with a few customers and then?
Like they are enjoying and having it. We'll see how.
Now YouTube channel ಮಾಡಿ ಕನ್ನಡ.
I don't know Kannada, but I'll.
The food is so good. He's like, I'm going to eat first and then only talk.
The reason why
Okay,
we
guys,
choose
so
this
people
area.
also stop here on the way to office everywhere and have food. Not daily customers,
Yeah,
people
I'm like
also
looking for
come like
customers.
this.
Okay.
ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹಿಂದಿ
Hindi. Okay, great. Never here.
भैया आप हर दिन आते हैं यहाँ पे? बस आज आया आप? आपको पता है ये प्लेस पहले से और अभी आया? अभी आया. Okay guys, so he's not a daily customer. He came just today and he doesn't know.
So
the
how's
place
the
from
food?
Starting. Obviously, so
We can see it and
it's not like daily customers coming. People stop here and have it. That is very
Just
much
like
rare.
we found this place in the first
We
time.
get a lot of
people like this. Every day people who pass by will stop here and have it.
guys we got regular customers
Yeah, come on.
so
Okay.
how often do you come here?
Actually, our home is like Arjun meter from here.
Okay.
So Arjun, we have been here. Take off your mask, man. More than 1 month. So we will be coming daily here. Even for lunch also we'll be here.
Lunch and breakfast.
Wow,
That's nice.
Okay.
We have the best customers.
So why do you come back to this place?
Yeah, actually, we do things like in the cost restaurant they will be cooking very well and they will be maintaining hygiene.
Can you be a little loud?
Yeah, but
Can't hear.
no, we can see from the beginning that
Uh-huh.
yeah.
I will start a meal, but we think that in the costly restaurant they will be cooking very hygienic.
So why did you put a shop here in this location?
ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು
ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈಗ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಹೋಗೋರೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್
Okay, so this is a very prime spot because a lot of people go to work, commute this way, and you have the Silk Road right there. That is a
very crowded also road.
So yeah, there's a lot of companies around in HSR and the other side also, and on this road. This road is very
very
common
busy
passage, yeah.
Okay.
So which is why they stop here.
This is the best place. Yeah, people would be coming early morning from their home without having food, so they can.
And also all kind of employees, like from government employees to every kind of people. Every you will see all the type of every class kind of people coming here and having food in the same plate.
Food is that good.
Yeah.
Guys, we have egg dosha. Can we taste it?
We miss the history of the place, but
Yeah. Let's celebrate. We took a B-roll of this dosha.
see,
Guys, it's super crispy.
if you want to
Everyone is
try,
attacking
it's
one
very
dosa.
easy to do.
Guys, we have coconut chutney and sambar.
And also tomato chili chutney.
Hi, my favorite dosha.
Finally, you got the dosa.
Leo is happy.
We've also do double of
It's already over.
It's already over. While Zoe doing the intro.
I'll get the B-roll.
The time span of food finishing in the plate is 20 seconds. Guys. It's like,
Oh my god, yeah.
20 seconds it will be
it's already over.
Guys, this food is super tasty. I think that's why this place is running for 10 years right now.
Yeah.
And that is really...
There have been a lot of places since a lot of years, but this is still there.
So guys, this is the place. This is the side road. Okay? And there is a lot of people here. And this is the main road, guys. And there is a signal there. So with the signal opposite to that, you will find the stall, okay? And there is a temple over there. And so this is the stall. So guys, behind this is our place, which is Teachers Colony. And this is where you go from. This is HSR and you go to Silk Boat right there. So in between this, you will find the stall.
Guys, so this is another special combo that they started. So for 50 rupees, you get the mango one, 3 idlis and this much of rice. This is a huge variety for 50 rupees.
For 50 rupees.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕೋ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಆ ಥರ ವೆರೈಟಿ
So they mix the combos and give. For this rate, for this budget, they usually mix whatever the person likes. They,
Okay. Wow. This is gonna happen. Let's go. Customize the plate, right?
Yeah.
Customize the plate and give to the customer.
Actually, easy to eat it.
so this is a very moving combo.
One rice and one bonda and very healthy idli. So that's like a perfect breakfast combo.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wonder why dosa is not there.
Yes, it's so tasty, guys.
So actually, these guys are really maintaining hygiene because they have a hand wash. They have like a
Yeah.
dry separate.
Everything is separated. This is hand wash. They have drinking water. They have wet waste, dry waste, everything separated.
Actually, guys, they keep cut newspapers as tissue papers here, but today I didn't
Right
find
now,
it.
yeah.
They just stick to the iron thing and they hang those things. We just have to take one paper, wipe your hands and throw it as
So guys, we're going back to office. Our breakfast is done. So if you guys want to come to this place, let us know. If you like the food, let us know. And also if you have any other nearby place we want to come and you want us to try the food, please let us know that also. So guys, till then,
Come and buy.
So guys, if you like today today's video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye!